stone extraction from CPD. Similarly, you have these balloon dilators. Okay. Now this is a special kind of a dilator. See, I can inflate it. Now you can see the balloon, and this is a long and a very strong and sturdy balloon. It is almost 5 or 6 centimeters depending upon the length. Now what you do and how do you do? First thing, let me show you the channels here. So through one channel, Shivlan is basically injecting air. You can inject contrast also and inflate this balloon. Okay. Through the other channel, you have that guide wire. So again, you can load this balloon dilator from here. So again, within this, you have a channel for the guide wire also. Okay. So how to use these now? First things first, again you are going to have a guide wire, but now whether it is a pyloric or a colonic or any even esophageal ones, I can dilate those strictures, all kinds of strictures with this. See how. This is going to be completely under vision now. So we are going to first introduce our guide wire. That's the first step always. Push that guide wire and negotiate it across the stricture. Now supposing again I am seeing a stricture here. This could be anything. Push, 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 push. Keep pushing. Now I have an adequate length of guide wire across the stricture. Like this. Okay. Then I am going to load this balloon onto the other end of the guide wire which is coming out from here. Okay. I am going to load this balloon onto the guide wire and take it through the working channel. You know, this is a collapsed balloon now. It can very easily go through this working channel on the guide wire. Now supposing this is coming here like this, over the guide wire, and it is out from here, like this. This is on the guide wire. Okay? And I have a scope here. I am looking at the stricture, I am looking at the balloon. Over the guide wire, I am going to push this balloon across the stricture. Now, that is why I need a long balloon here. Okay? So that half of it is across the stricture, half of it is still outside the stricture. Okay? And like this. So you position the balloon over the guide wire like this. Okay? The balloon is also crossing the stricture here. Now you can ask your assistant to inflate it. Inflate it. So from the inflation channel, you can use air, but again, ideally this procedure is done under fluoroscopy control, so you can inflate it using a contrast. Okay? Inflate. And see, this balloon has started to dilate. So by dilating this balloon, it is like an angioplastic action. Simple angioplasty. So you are dilating the structure. But that's not all. This balloon is very versatile. You know why? Because these are pressure calibrated. These are pressure calibrated balloons. So there you have to repeatedly exchange your dilator for subsequent diameter. But these balloons are designed in such a way that if you increase the pressure within the balloon, obviously it is going to distend more. It will give you the next higher diameter. The more you distend the balloon, bigger will be the diameter. Isn't it? So they have been designed in such a way and they have been calibrated according to pressure. So that if you dilate it to a certain pressure, it will give you one diameter, a particular diameter. Then you increase that pressure of the balloon to the next level, it will give you the next subsequent diameter. That means one balloon is equal to 3 dilators. So the balloons are actually available in 3 diameters. If you order a balloon, he will ask you, sir, what diameter do you want? You can ask for a 10 to 12 French balloon, or a 12 to 15 balloon, or a 8 to 10, so 8, 9, 10. Okay? Or 10, 11, 12. So each balloon gives you 3 subsequent diameters. You understand? So how to do that? You are provided here with a, on the balloon itself, this is the older one, so they have lost it, I will show. They actually have a small tag here. The new balloon will have a tag like this, which is just pressure calibrated. So you will have pressure here, and you can have pressure of 2, 4, 6 atmosphere. And here would be the corresponding diameter of the balloon, 10, 11 and 12. So you are actually looking at the descending pressure of the balloon. Automatically you will know that this is the diameter up to which the stricture has been dilated. So how do you do that? We use this special kind of an insufflation device for that. All the balloons come with this. This is the insufflation device for your balloon. This is just a simple syringe. You can insufflate the balloon with a syringe, but it comes with a pressure gauge.
So now you know how
Yes.
much.
So now you know how much pressure is there within the balloon. Okay. So you are looking at this. Automatically you will have that diameter. So what you do is you pull this plunger out like this, and now you are ready. Connect the balloon here, and you can distend it. You can start rotating from here like this. This will give you a gradual. If I keep on rotating, see, the balloon gets distended. Okay, and I am just looking at the pressure here. So I will start with the lowest pressure first. I will start by bringing this needle the pressure to 2 atmosphere. Okay, so keep on rotating. I will have a pressure of 2. You wait for a minute. Then you go on to the next diameter. Again from there. Okay, then you can go to 4, and then you can go to 6. One single balloon will give you 3 different dilators. Okay, it will give you 3 sizes of dilatation. So this is how you use this pressure. So it is all pressure calibrated. Okay, so now look at the advantages. First of all, this entire procedure is under complete vision. It's not blind now. This is coming from the scope tip, and you will see the balloon dilating like this, the stricture getting dilated, completely under vision. Right? Secondly, the same balloon is giving you 3 diameters now. You don't have to exchange. Once load the balloon and you dilate it up to 3 diameters. Okay? Third, look at the direction in which you are going to. Look at the direction now. This is going to be radial direction. No, the balloon is going to uniformly distend. This is the correct desirable direction of the 4 diameters. And 4, you can dilate any stricture with this. Now there is no issue. If this is the stricture, your scope tip is here. No coiling, nothing would happen. Isn't it? So you can use it for all possible GI strictures. So these are known as CRE balloons. CRE balloon dilators. CRE basically stands for controlled radial expansion. Controlled radial, because it is completely, the expansion of this balloon is in our control. We are controlling it from here, and it is radially expanding. So these are the other kind of dilators which are available, CRE dilators. Okay? And these are better than them, but obviously they are costlier also. Isn't it? These are much costlier than that. One set of all this silvery collector will cost you probably like $300, and it will last you a lifetime. You should have both. Okay?
How much it is?
Let's say we place this dilator, how long have to be dilatation duration?
I'll discuss the method. I'm just telling you about the accessories. I'll come to the procedure. I'll answer all these questions.
How much is this balloon there?
These are, which ones? The balloon? Balloons are costly. The balloon, this balloon will cost you again around 300, because it's the cost of the balloon also and the insufflation device also. So that is one time $300, and these are supposed to be one time use, disposable. Okay, these wire guided